This week, you've been learning about the Interdisciplinary Research Process, or IRP. Recall that we use this process to help us make decisions about the problems or questions we study. It's an iterative process in that we should expect to revisit earlier steps and revise our decisions. One of its many advantages is that it was created using an interdisciplinary approach, and it reflects the many different research processes used across the disciplines. The IRP has 10 basic steps. The first step is to define the problem or state the research question. This first step can be further divided into 4 decisions we need to make. Making sure that we select a problem that is suitable to interdisciplinary study, define the scope of the problem, make sure we avoid 3 common tendencies that run counter to the entire process, and make sure we follow 3 guidelines